Alright guys, so Derek is driving me home. We went over some railroad tracks and we launched his Taylor kit and some car just dragged it. You know how many times I've launched my Taylor kit out of my cart, and he just said that was his third time, but never have I seen a car drag it across the road. Reagents going everywhere.
Oh, God.
What were you about to say?
I don't even know, man. Oh my gosh. It's
All of a sudden,
perfect day. Looks like we're making another trip to distribution.
we heard it launch up and drag on the road. We're like, oop, that's not good. So we pull over, and then
Now I see why everybody uses test strips.
Derek was walking over to retrieve his Taylor kit, and some like car just dragged it way past, and we just heard a screech, and we're like, okay, we're not getting that thing back. So anyways, that is a funny clip for the rap video.
Oh,
so
man. Classic.
you just can't make it up.
No, you can't.
I'm literally having tears right now. So anyways,
worth the trip.
Going to distribution when we get back to Pinellas County. See you guys.
Peace.
Oh, there's a Taylor kit right there on the side of the road.
I'm gonna try to see what I
Yeah,
can
we should
save.
try to save that.
Wonder if I can.
Alright, so there's a reagent bottle out there. That looks empty now. You know, guys, we keep forgetting that we got those kits back there in our carts when we go over a speed bump or a railroad track. This kind of stuff happens. Look, it's a graveyard for reagent. Look at it, it's all broken. Oh, your pH, your phenol red's still good. Your calcium hardness is still good. Surprisingly, the box is still in good shape, regardless of being.
Dude, I need to send that to Taylor. That got dragged. Oh, look at the cyanuric acid.
Yeah. The one you wanted and got saved.
I wanted these too.
There's nothing in them. Dude, look at the damage on this thing.
That's hardcore. Made in the USA.
Oh man, this was an unexpected little detour. Let's go see what else there is. Oh yeah, we need that. Here's the top to the comparator cap. Out in the middle of, I don't know what road this is. Thiosulfate is gone. So no more alkalinity testing. What did you get there, Derek?
Let's see here. R008's good. So we can get 5 drops out of that.
But we have no thiosulfate to test to kill the chlorine.
That does a lot of good. Wow.
Where's your block at?
That I saw get exploded when a car hit it.
No, say it again.
I just bought those copper test.
Just today?
Yep. But look at this. I can test for salt. So thank God for that.
Oh man, there's nothing like. Here's a dropper.
There's nothing I'll ever use that.
That might be back to the railroad. That's one of the first things that usually launches that block. We're gonna walk over to the railroad tracks down there. It's about 7.2 miles. See if we can find that block for him. That looks DVD number 1. That looks like another alkalinity bottle out there. Wait. There's your block. It's right there. Oh, I thought that semi was gonna run over it.
You got it after this. Taylor.
Let's see how bad this fared. You can still take measurements with this.
Dude, Yeti's got nothing on Taylor.
Yeah, Taylor needs a, wow. I mean, it's f***ed up, but look at that. You can still run your day off that.
I'm talking about.
You want to see what those bottles... That one looks like it's still in good shape. I'm just waiting for some kid to run it over. Oh, here's some thiosulfate. It's leaking though. Oh, we got most of it back. Oh. Bet we didn't expect to see that today.
Nope.
As Derek just said, another day in the job. Reveal what we found on the road. Go ahead, open up the lid. So that's basically all that's left, but structurally, he can still operate for the day. Not a bad day being a pool guy. So we're making our way back to the truck and gonna probably get some refills now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And
you have your test kit attached to your vacuum, and you slow down. And despite all of your best efforts slowing down, still magically, somehow, some way, your Taylor test kit gets launched 500 feet in the air and backflips into somebody else's car. It gets almost destroyed, except for the fact, what I learned through this whole thing is that if you ever need to get a cooler, definitely don't buy a Yeti. Just buy a Taylor test kit box and put your drinks in it with ice.
Because that will last. That driver was stupid to notice a big blue box in the middle of the road and say, you know what, I'm gonna run over this and see what happens.
Oh gosh, that was
I wish you guys could have heard how much noise it made being scraped under this person's car. It was pretty majestic.
Yeah, it really was. It was I got a few choice words for it, and Majestic is definitely the top of the list.
Yeah, I would agree. That's pretty much perfect fit then.
Yeah, for sure. Totally worth it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Totally worth a trip out here. We're looking forward to going to distribution, spend another $100 on a test kit. For no good reason other than some angry driver decided to take it out on his Taylor test kit box.
Yep.
So it's unfortunate, but we'll get it fixed. But nonetheless, yeah, try not to kill us.
Yeah, try not to.
Hopefully you guys got some good laughter out of that. Pretty dang funny. Unfortunate, but funny.
Yeah.
We'll laugh at this in days to come, but today it sort of sucks.
Oh, gosh.
Any last famous words?
I'm speechless.
Me too. And so is the Taylor kid because it has no idea what just happened to it. See you guys.